Howdy y'all, welcome to the Dirt Road Grocery Store. Today's episode is about do-it-yourself bow targets. It's difficult to find a target that will work with both youth arrows and adult arrows at a full-strength bow and a youth bow, and be able to also stop the arrow, not penetrate too deep, and be easy to pull out. Also, they don't generally last very long, and they are expensive. So this is one you can make yourself. You can see it stopped there, it's fine. I was firing from right behind the camera. That's a 45 pound, and at my draw length, that's about 30 pounds. What it's made out of is an old feed sack. Now you want to use one layer of feed sack for the front, because if you use a bunch of layers at the front, it'll get hung up in them and you have to cut it out. These will stop. Just these layers will stop an arrow. You can replace this, of course, with other feed sacks as you wear out your target face. And you can pin targets to it or spray paint on it, whatever you like. What's in it? Clothes that didn't make it to Goodwill. And old grocery sacks. You just save your sacks from the grocery store until you get a big bunch of them, and then stuff your target with them, and this stuff stops there is just fine. These things are all free. Well, assuming you were going to buy feed anyway. You have old clothes. And if you don't have old clothes, you're probably going to go grocery shopping at some point in your life. I recommend you shop at a Dirt Road grocery store, but you may have to go to the brick and mortar once in a while too. So there you are. Do-it-yourself bow target. Practically free. Works just fine. We'll do youth arrows. We'll do adult arrows. We'll do a full-size bow. We'll do a light bow. Well, that's all I got for you. Y'all get out there and shoot around.